Yo, it is the stock market recap where I teach you how to use technical analysis. So let's check out the charts and see if we can get any insight for what can potentially happen next week. I hope you have been digging the recaps. We have been razor sharp, and I look to continue that trend. Make sure to follow me here, hit that like button, and share. And leave a comment. Let's have a conversation. We can talk about the market anytime you want. I guarantee you we're going to have a good conversation. Check me out on Instagram. I also do Instagram Lives where I do this during the week so you can see how it unfolds even deeper. So let's go to those charts right now and check out what's going on in the market. There's been a lot going on in the market, and this is one I can't wait to get into, so you might want to play this one back a few times to get what I'm about to drop on you. All right, S&P closed at 4418.64, record high. We see that. All right, check this out, family. We have had a tremendous run in the S&P. All of the markets, all indexes have been continually going up. Now we are starting to test out some of the strength here to see what is going to happen here. We got our 50-day moving average that is starting to show that it could get cracked here. So this is what I'm seeing. Gave everybody the warning when we had the spinning top here. It was doji, I mean. Then we started to break down. We bounced. I said last week that the key to all of this holding up is 4,500 continually holding. I said we would test out 46 again, 4,600, and we did. It did not hold. We got flushed out of there. So now what we have is another pattern forming, which is an H pattern. The H pattern is a bearish formation. This is looking to play out, and if we end up breaking around this 4,400 area, what we're going to do is continue to move lower, and that's a price target of around 4,000. So watch that level. If that breaks, all hell breaks loose and we move lower quickly, and we are going to get to around this area, that 4,000 area. Okay, S&P 4,000 is the target price if we do not hold this 4,400 area. So keep an eye on that. The H pattern is a very strong pattern, and it looks to be a formation. So price target 4,000 for the S&P. Let's go ahead and check out IWM, and we'll check out to see what type of patterns are developing there. All right, IWM closed at 201.38, and we see the record high. So check this out here. This is the H pattern that broke down before. Spinning top. Showed continuation to the downside. We did. Target at that time was around 200, and I said on the low side it would hit around 195, and we did break a little bit lower and started to bounce. So we have some very weak closes here. All right, we had a spinning top, then we attempted to close higher, and again we attempted to close higher, and we continued to make that push to 210, which is what I called for that week. We did not hold it. So the only thing good going on for IWM right now in the entire Russell is that we did not make a close lower. We did not push higher and hold. However, we did make a close higher than last week. So I'm looking for the Russell to start to be stable for the next couple of weeks here to see if it can continue to move lower. I'm looking for stability actually for IWM. We should stay around this 200 price target. However, if the market wants to move lower, it's going to push all of the small caps along with it, and it could continue to push down to 190. So two things that I'm looking for. I'm looking for IWM to hold that 200 level, and then I'm also looking to see if it can't hold that 200 level, that is likely going to move back down to 190. So let's see what happens at that 200 level. That is IWM. Now let's check out the Dow, and we use $DJI. Now the Dow closed at 34,738.06, and we see the record high. We've had our share of range-bound activity happening in the Dow. We've got pretty much a double top situation going on here. And this is also an M pattern. This here is another H pattern looking to form. So we've had weakness and things are starting to show that the market is looking to start to move lower, ladies and gentlemen. The Dow is also in sync with the S&P for a move lower. And if we get that break, it is likely going to move to around this 31,000 area. So Dow 31,000 is on the watch. All right. We got to get some levels to break in order to get there, but things are shaping up to where it could get to that level. So we'll watch out for that one. And the last one that we're going to check is the Nasdaq, and we use ticker NDX. Nasdaq closed at 14,253.84 cents, and we see the record high. This one doesn't look good either. Tech could get slammed quick. We are looking at a move to, where is that at? Right around here. 11.5, 11.6, 11.7 in this area here. This pattern plays out. The Nasdaq is going to make a quick move to the downside to test out this area here. Back around this below 12,000. So between 11.5 to 12,000 is that area that I think that the Nasdaq can move to if we do not hold these levels, and it's looking pretty weak right now. So let's recap. We have all four indexes showing extreme signs of weakness. Okay, 3 of them are giving us an H pattern formation, and IWM grand scheme is giving somewhat of an H pattern formation. Right now I'm looking to see if that 200 level is going to hold up. I think that the market is in trouble. We're going to see something happen really quick. So keep an eye out, protect your money as best as you can. So that's it for this recap. Make sure that you check me out on the podcast. The podcast, I'm looking to do at least 4 episodes a month. I'm striving, I'm working as hard as I can to get it done. My schedule is just tough, and I'm going to work as best as I can. Looking to at least drop you 2 a month. That is something that I have been doing consistent so far. 2 a month. Work to up that to 4. And make sure that you work with my guys, Marathon Money. Check out their podcast. They give it to you every single week. So you make sure to check that out, and then check out Marathon Money Plus. They give you their episodes every single week as well. Get outside. Take care of yourself out here. Please take care of yourself. Nobody else has your best interest besides you. So take care of yourself. Hydrate. Drink your water. Make sure that you get exercise, and make sure that you spend time with people that you love. That is a very healthy part of life. So check those off of your boxes this weekend, and we will check you later. Enjoy it. Peace.